Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Creo tutorial how to create an arch length. Go to top plan and click sketch, go to sketch view, and now I will draw arch with this 3-point option. Start from this point, the second point, and then the third point. Now you can press escape button to close from arch command. If you want to create arc length, you can press Control button, hold, select for this endpoint, and then the second endpoint. The next, you can click on arch object. After it, you can release, and you can see we have this arch length option. You can click. Now you can set for length. I will set into 400. Press enter. The arc length will be automatically changed into 400. You can double click in here to edit, and we set again like into 200. Press enter to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Creo tutorial how to create an arch length. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.